Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a mailbag unboxing. It is Sunday, April 24th when I'm unboxing this. This is obviously from Amazon, but from Mary Store from Lexington, Kentucky. And it is Steve-O's book that I am definitely getting signed when I go meet him. Never mind. Never fucking mind. Some bitch is already signed. What the hell? Well, okay then. I'm confused. I don't know what to do now. I wanted to have him sign it. My name's not Allison anyway. That sucks. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You know the right time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.